An anti-cancer diet is an essential strategy to reduce your risk of cancer. The American Cancer Society recommends, for example, that you eat at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables daily, and eat the right amount of food to stay at a healthy weight. In addition, researchers are finding that certain foods that prevent cancer may be an essential part of an anti-cancer diet. Although choosing foods to fight cancer in the store and with meals cannot ensure cancer prevention, good choices can help significantly reduce the risk. Before I start counting down 10 foods for cancer prevention, I want to encourage you to leave a comment below. If you're going to suggest some topic for the following videos, or if you want to comment on something connected to this video, I appreciate every comment. Okay, let's start. Number 10. Beans. Certain fruits and vegetables and other plant foods get plenty of recognition for being good sources of antioxidants, but beans often are unfairly left out of the picture. Some beans, mainly pinto and red kidney beans, are excellent sources of antioxidants and should be included in your anti-cancer diet. According to the American Cancer Society, beans also contain fiber, which may also help reduce your risk of cancer. Number 9. Grapes. The skin of red grapes is a particularly rich source of an antioxidant called resveratrol. Grape juice and red wine also contain this antioxidant. According to the National Cancer Institute, resveratrol may help keep cancer from beginning or spreading. Lab studies have found that it limits the growth of many kinds of cancer cells. Number 8. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables, like spinach and lettuce, are good sources of the antioxidants beta-carotene and lutein. You will also find these nutrients in more traditionally eaten cooked vegetables, like collard greens, mustard greens, and kale. According to the American Institute for Cancer Research, some lab studies have found that chemicals in these cancer-fighting foods may limit the growth of some kinds of cancer cells. Number 7. Turmeric. This orange-colored spice, a staple in Indian curries, contains an ingredient called curcumin that may be useful in reducing cancer risk. According to the American Cancer Society, curcumin can inhibit some kinds of cancer cells in laboratory studies and slow the spread of cancer or shrink tumors in some animals. This cancer-fighting food is easy to find in grocery stores, and you can use it in a variety of recipes on your anti-cancer diet. Number 6. Whole grains. According to the American Institute for Cancer Research, whole grains contain many components that might lower your cancer risk, including fiber and antioxidants. In addition, a large study including nearly 500,000 people found that eating more whole grains may reduce the risk of colorectal cancer, making them a top item in the category of foods to fight cancer. Oatmeal, barley, brown rice, whole wheat bread, and pasta are all examples of whole grains. Number 5. Green tea. The leaves of the tea plant, Camellia sinensis, contain antioxidants called catechins, which may help prevent cancer in various ways, including keeping free radicals from damaging cells. Lab studies have found that catechins in tea can shrink tumors and reduce tumor cell growth. Some, but not all studies in humans have also linked drinking tea to lower cancer risk. Both green and black teas contain catechins, but you will get more antioxidants from green tea, so you may want to consider a cup or more per day in your anti-cancer diet. Number 4. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables are the group containing broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower, which may be beneficial cancer-fighting foods. Researchers have found that components in these veggies can protect you from the free radicals that damage your cell's DNA. They may also shield you from cancer-causing chemicals, help slow the growth of tumors, and encourage cancer cells to die. So they're a tasty and healthy addition to your anti-cancer diet. Number 3. Tomatoes. Some research has found that tomatoes may help protect men from prostate cancer. The juicy red fruit can help guard the DNA in your cells from damage that can lead to cancer. In addition, tomatoes contain an exceptionally high concentration of an effective antioxidant called lycopene. Your body may absorb lycopene better from processed tomato foods such as sauce, which means that whole wheat pasta with marinara sauce could be a delicious way to get your dose of cancer-fighting foods. Number 2. Berries. As a tasty treat and cancer-fighting food, berries are hard to beat. Berries contain potent antioxidants, meaning they can stop a naturally occurring process in the body that creates free radicals that can damage your cells. Compounds in berries, may also help keep cancers from growing or spreading. So, as part of your anti-cancer diet, pick up a handful of blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, or whichever are your favorite from this large family of healing fruits. Number 1. Garlic. Research shows that garlic is a cancer-fighting food. Several extensive studies have found that those who eat more garlic are less likely to develop various kinds of cancer, especially in digestive organs, such as the esophagus, stomach, and colon. In addition, ingredients in the pungent bulbs may keep cancer-causing substances in your body from working or control cancer cells from multiplying. Experts don't know how much you need to eat to prevent cancer, but a clove a day may be helpful. These were 10 cancer prevention foods. I hope you learned something new in this video, and you will use these 10 foods daily from now on. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Stay healthy.